We had a question come in today about updating the inventory policy for product variants via a workflow step. And we are in the business of workflow steps. So I whipped together a quick custom code step to handle that for you, fine people. And so here's how it works. In this case, most likely you're triggering this some other way than this. Okay. This is just for the purposes of triggering the API call. But I've got a schedule, which is real easy to test. You can do start a test this way. And then it's running. And basically I'm saying, all right, give me a SKU. In this case, this is my trusty blank brown towel. Okay. This is one of my favorite test products. It's my trusty blank brown towel. And then inventory policy can either contain the value continue or the value deny. Continue selling when out of stock, or don't sell when outside. Deny is a weird word for that, but that's okay. I digress. And then we're just grabbing the variant here by SKU and then getting into this beautiful GraphQL mutation. And so you don't have to worry about all that because it's all done. It's all working fantastically for you is what we've done for you today. Let's see how that tested, by the way. All right, so everything checked out. So in theory, this should now be, if I refresh, it should be checked now to continue selling when out of stock. Boom! There you have it. There you have it. All right. So anyway, I'm sorry for being so crazy today. It's one of those days. It's one of those friggin' days. So that's how it works. You've got the workflow zip file right here in this beautiful blog post. So you can download that. And when you download a workflow, you can come over here and create a new workflow. Oops. Oopsie. Oh yeah. Actions, import. And then you can just drag that zip file in. That'll do the job. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Cheers.